Hey guys, I'm Velma I and welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming here today to share with you guys a quick little trick. The other day I posted on Facebook on one of the lash beauty communities where you can kind of go and you share pictures, you share ideas and things like that. So anyway, I posted a little quick video of this and a lot of you guys had a lot of questions, so I'm going to be answering those today. I'm actually gonna try to find the exact one. So yeah, I kind of just posted this quick little short video of, and I hashtag love being prepared, and these containers are from Michael's. I'm going to quickly show you because a few of you wanted me to make this video, so thank you so much for your recommendations. I want to make a lot more videos, and honestly usually I try to like go overboard and get my setup perfect and all that, and that's why I think it's what keeps me from making videos. Let me know if these videos are fine. Like, I know it's not good quality, I know that I have no makeup on because I work 2 jobs and right now I'm actually in between clients, so I figured I would just quickly post this video for you guys. But yeah, let me know if you don't mind how my videos look, because that's what frustrates me and it's kind of a mess. I'm here in my salon floor, like on my salon floor, and I'm just gonna do this. Anyway, long story short, I got these cute containers. I freaking love the color. I love the color of mint, and I just think it's cute. In this container, I put a little dental bib sheet. I kind of cut them and just make them fit into these containers. And they're stackables. I did get them for 3 for $5, I believe. I'm not too sure. But anyway, so in here, the first thing I have are these packets. Everybody was asking questions. These, I will try to link everything down below. If I don't get to it, ask me in the comments and I will link it down below. But these say that they are the I by Beauty sterilization pouches. So just go to Amazon, look up sterilization pouch, and these should pop up. They're small. What I do is I use a small tattoo sterilizer. So it's kind of just the sterilizer. You put it on. I'm not gonna get into all those details, but if you want a video, I guess like cleaning wise, let me know, I'll do that for you. But anyway, this pouch, I prep it. I can't even talk today. It's been a long time since I posted. I prep it with my tweezers. I put my isolation tweezer, my volume tweezer, and then I also recently have been adding the jade stone. Like, why not just disinfect it altogether? Which I do. I disinfect everything. I disinfect it, then I do the whole process. Sanitize, disinfect, all of that. So yeah, in this little pouch, you just pop them out when you're ready to use them, and they're good to go. They're sterile. You really want to practice good not hygiene, well, hygiene too, but good, you know what I'm trying to say. The next thing that comes in here, I prep it so that every time I come in here, if I have like 3 clients, as soon as I'm done with this client, I basically leave all their trash in here, put it to the side in my dirty container, and then that means I just have to go through, wipe it all out, alcohol it, sterilize everything all over again, and refill it, and then have it ready for the next client. So instead of doing that over and over, like after each client, I just have about 6 or 7 prepared, and so then that way I just keep on working, you know, and then there's no fuss. You don't waste time, because trust me, it takes up a lot of time, and it just does. So anyway, so back to what I was saying, I do put a eye patch in here. So I just put my eye pads, I put the dental bib, like I said, I just cut them. I have the iPad, I have 2 lip ones. A few of you did ask why I use these. It depends. I sometimes use my cleanser. I do cleanse my lashes. I like to use these brushes because they're bigger. They soak up the product and you can really get in there and rub. If not for primer, but usually for primer or pre-bonder, I do use the little micro swabs that I'm pretty sure all of you guys are familiar with. And then I always put in a spoolie and I'm just set to go. So right here I have a jade stone, because sometimes I don't, like I said, I don't pouch all of them. But then you just stack them on top of each other and voila, like you are ready to go. No fuss, like you don't have to be scrounging around for everything. And a lot of questions that I did get, or one of the questions that I did get was, how do you have so many tweezers that you like or something like that. But anyway, I do use the Pink Lab boot tweezer, and I think they're really amazing. I have a lot of them, and they all work perfectly fine, and I really love them. And it took me a lot of tweezers to go through. I'm talking about like hundreds of dollars to just spend, and you got to play around with what works for you. Like, not everybody will like this tweezer, but I do. I really like it. I did recently order the Lashbox LA something. I don't know. If you want a review on that, if you want, like, let me know what type of videos you want to see from me. Comment down below and I'll get working on those. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I do want to invite you guys to go join my lash group that I did create. I think I only have like 26 members. Come and invite all your lash friends, like send them the link. I just want it to become somewhere where you can go, because a lot of these lash groups that I join on Facebook, you'll post a picture and they will just beat you down to the ground. And I think that, like, all of us women should help build each other up. And you just, I don't know, it's just so much damn negativity out there, and it just doesn't need to be out there. So if you come to my group, it's gonna be clean. I mean, we just try to, I hate that somebody can't just post a picture and they literally ask you a question and then everybody jumps on them and is like, why are you doing this or why are you doing that? Like, I get it, give your opinion, but also, like, constructive criticism is a lot better than hate and just like stupid questions, you know what I mean? Like, I'm pretty sure you guys get me. If you come from a lash group, like, you understand. So that's it. Let me know what you want me to post next, what type of video you do want to see, and thank you for not mind. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Inspa. So go ahead and check it out. Just ask you a few questions if you do want to join, and I will approve you or not approve you if you're not pretty much there for, you know, the right reasons, because I just don't want to let everybody in. I just want to make sure that we're all lash technicians, we're all inspiring lash wow, can I speak English? Or we're all working towards the same goal to become a lash technician. I mean, I just want people that really have a heart for it, and I just want it to be fun. And I'm going to be doing giveaways on there. I'm going to be doing giveaways here. And I guess that's it, guys. I have nothing else to say. It's just been a damn while. So sorry for being MIA. If you saw my last ghost video, I know. Watch the 2 videos. They freak me out. I'm actually sitting here and I don't feel any negativity. So we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.